Hey, what's going on, world? Ainsley Dawkins here, and in this video I want to talk about how you can make $2 per day online with free website. That's right, how you can make $2 with free website. And let's go look at the computer right now. So right now we're looking at my desktop and came across this new website that I'm going to be testing out, taking a part of, and it's called Vindale Research. And right now I already registered, and right away it sent me a link. If I go to the next page, it sent me a link where there's already about 39 surveys, tasks, and things that I can do in order to earn money. But first they're gonna start me off with just $2. That's right, I can earn $2 right now by creating my account and finishing up my account and answering a few questions. Take about, about 4 steps, and you're on your way to earning $2. And after that, they already started to send me surveys and tasks and different ways of earning with Vindale right to my email. Right away they find out your demographics, your bio, your whatever. Right away they find out what kind of person you are, what you like to do, your interests, things like that. And they start to send you right. So with this website, every day they're gonna be sending you emails, and you can log into those emails, do those surveys, or you can just log on to the website itself, take some surveys, do some tasks, some research, some study groups, and start earning $2 a day. Even more, you can earn up to more than that, but you can earn $2 a day just by starting today right there. I can also leave the link in the description below. You can either click on the link or you can go to Vindale. And another great thing I just was researching it is you can also refer other people, so you can tell your friends and family and other people about it, and you can also earn from that. Hey, so yes folks, so right after you do the other one and you get access to the links where you can be able to refer your friends and get $5 for each friend you refer. You can refer them through Facebook, through Twitter, through Google+, through email, or you can just snatch the link and promote it out there. Probably if you have a blog or YouTube channel, whichever way you want to do it, refer them through text, whatever way you go. You can also get $5 for your friend and friend. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. That's $2 right there, $2 in my account, and it says awesome, you successfully completed the accelerated trading tutorial and you've earned $2. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. So that's right, a quick way to earn how to make $2 a day with a free website. And you can also log in to take many other surveys and be able to earn $2 a day along with referring your friends. So once again, take opportunity of this. The link is in the description, or you can just go to Vindale itself. Once again, it's Ainsley Dawkins. If you like some comments, please leave a comment, and please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. All right.